So I am a dentist, graduated from Syria. I came here 10 years ago. I finished my education from Boston University Dental School, and then I'm working now at Concord Dental Group. Oh, I had zero experience with implants. I was kind of exploring the Invisalign part of or orthodontic part of dentistry, and then I felt that it's time for me to expand. We started yesterday. We had, yesterday as a didactic part of the course, and it was very nice and good, and it really walked me through everything from the beginning towards the placing the implant. And I applied it today while I'm working on the patient, and it was great. Yes, so we were able to raise a flap and then go in there, and then we found out after we take the proper x-rays that we didn't have enough bone, so we needed to do a sinus lift. It was so cool because I've seen it one time before, and it was really mostly like manual with hammer and stuff, but it was wonderful when they show me how to use the automated hammer, and it was really cool. Even with the amount that I did, it just gave me the confidence to move forward, and I'll definitely reach out to Corey and all of you guys, and hopefully maybe follow up with the next course, or come up to their practices and